Welcome to Domain 1, Section 1.16, the prepare phase of AI incident response. In this session, we will cover why AI needs its own incident response approach, the unique incidents it faces, and how to prepare through policies and documentation, the right response team, and realistic tabletop exercises. Why does this matter beyond the exam? When an AI system goes wrong, the speed and quality of your preparation decide how much damage is done. Knowing how to ready an organization for an AI incident lets you make sure the right people, plans, and practice are in place before a crisis, rather than improvising in the middle of one. Let's set the context. As AI gets woven into critical operations, it faces threats that ordinary systems do not. And the goal of incident response is to identify, contain, and prevent them while keeping the system reliable, secure, and ethical. An incident management program exists to spot events that deviate from normal operations and decide how to respond, so the organization recovers quickly and limits the cost. The faster you can identify, analyze, respond, and recover, the smaller the impact. It helps to name the AI-specific incidents you are preparing for. Adversarial attacks tweak the input to fool a model into a wrong decision. Data poisoning slips harmful or biased data into the training set to corrupt outputs. Bias exploitation abuses a model's built-in bias to produce unfair results. Model drift is the slow decay of accuracy as the world changes. Unauthorized access means breaking in to manipulate the system or steal information. And automation failures are errors in AI-driven automation that lead to wrong or dangerous outcomes. Handling these should follow a structured approach consistent with established incident management standards like the ISO 27035 process, but tailored to these AI-specific threats. The first part of preparing is your policies, procedures, and documentation. Many organizations already have an incident response plan, but most have not adapted it for AI incidents, such as harmful AI output, leakage of confidential data from the training set, or biased and hallucinated predictions. An AI-ready plan must address this extra, unique risk and its impact on people. A practical tip stands out here. Debate about whether and how to use AI should happen well before an active incident, not during one. And thorough documentation, like model cards, helps investigators interpret a model's architecture, data, and decisions alongside a clear communication and escalation plan. The second part is the incident response team, which for AI must reach beyond the usual responders. It needs data stewards who know the training dataset intimately. It needs data engineers and scientists who can interpret strange model behavior. It needs privacy experts who understand the impact on personal data and the relevant regulations. And it needs AI ethicists responsible for the safe and ethical use of the system. Without these voices, an AI incident is easy to misread. The third part is tabletop exercises, which are practice runs of an incident, and they must be adapted for AI. The skills differ sharply from ordinary forensics. Investigating a poisoned model, for example, requires access to a copy of the very data lake that was contaminated, and close teamwork between responders and the data science team to hunt for tampering. So rehearse the AI-specific moves, like exploring a dataset for poisoning and analyzing the model's inputs and outputs, because a team that has practiced these is far more effective when a real incident strikes. Let's bring it all together. AI faces unique incidents, from adversarial attacks and data poisoning to drift and automation failures, so preparation must adapt traditional incident response to these threats. That means AI-ready policies and rich documentation, a response team that adds data, privacy, and ethics expertise to the usual responders, and tabletop exercises rehearsed around genuinely AI-specific scenarios. You now know how to get an organization ready before an AI incident hits. Every important topic and idea from this session is covered in the multiple choice questions on RooCloud.com. Before you move on to the next session, work through the chapter-wise questions there, because rehearsing them is the best preparation of all. Practice first, and then move forward with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.